So here's how to make money with YouTube Shorts without filming any videos yourself, and it's a lot easier than you think. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So YouTube has been pushing their YouTube Shorts feature a lot over the past year now in an attempt to really compete with TikTok, which has been blowing up like crazy over the past 2 to 3 years. And it's not just YouTube, it's also been like Instagram and Pinterest. Instagram released their Instagram Reels feature in also an attempt to compete with TikTok. And because TikTok is gaining so much traction, all those other platforms are trying to get like a piece of that. And YouTube has been doing just as everybody else. And because YouTube Shorts has been gaining so much traction as well, and because YouTube are pushing YouTube Shorts a lot over the past year, there's so many people now creating YouTube Shorts, and you see videos getting like hundreds of millions of views, 50 million views, 20 million views, like just in a few days, and you have accounts really blowing up in just a matter of few days. They're gaining like subscribers like crazy. And when you see that much traffic flowing into YouTube Shorts, obviously there are going to be like different ways and different money making opportunities that comes with it. And this is exactly what we're going to explore in this video. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to check this TikTok account here by the name of Best Body Fix. And basically what they do is they post those different videos related to health and nutrition and recipes, and they've gained over 30,000 followers on TikTok by doing this. And if you watch some of those videos, you will see that they do not really film those videos. They are not showing their face. They are not actually filming any of those videos. They're using a software that is creating those videos for them, and they're just adding a few texts, and the software is doing everything else for them. If we look at some of their other videos, it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, they're not really creating any of those videos themselves. As I've said, everything is created for them through the software that I'm going to show you. And this is something similar that you can do on YouTube, especially on YouTube Shorts, because YouTube Shorts and TikTok are pretty much the same. And this is something that you can do as well. You could do this on TikTok if you want to, but what I'm going to show you in this video is how to do something similar to this and to do this on YouTube Shorts. So how can you do something similar to that and start making money with this method? Okay, so the first thing you need to do, number one, is you need to pick a niche. Okay, picking a niche is very important. You don't want to just be making videos about anything. You want to be very specific what kind of audience or demographic you are going for. What is the niche that you want to pick? This is extremely important. Everything that I'm going to show you in this video can be applied in different niches. What I'm going to show you here is something similar to this TikTok account that I just showed you. I'm going to create videos similar to this one just to show you how easy it is, but everything I show you can be applied in any niche. So you want to pick your niche very well before getting started with this. So once you've picked a niche, number two now is to create those videos. So what you can do is you can go to this website here called invideo.io, and this is the kind of online tool that this person most probably use, or at least something very similar to it that they use to create those videos. And basically invideo.io is an online video creation tool that allows you to create videos very quickly. You can create a lot of different kinds of videos, like slideshows, like video collages, video ads. What else you can create, like intros, video intros, as you can see in here. So there's a lot of different things that you can create on this website, all related to videos, like webinar promos as well. So many things. And what we're going to do here is we're going to create a video similar to the one that we just saw. So for example, first thing you want to do is you want to click on text to video. And then once you've done that, you want to click which dimension you want to go for. So obviously, since we're creating videos for YouTube Shorts, you want to create a vertical dimension. Once you've done that, you want to pick the template that you want to use to start creating your videos. So any template you pick is going to be almost the same thing. So let's just say I picked this one. This is the elegant theme. And then we want to click on use this template. Once you click on that, you will be brought to this particular page here where you can add your information. So there's three things you can do, right? You can add a headline and then your text, or you can add like an URL. So if you have a website that has all the text and you don't want to copy paste the text and everything, you can simply paste the URL here and they will grab that text for you, or you can simply add your media files in here. So let's do the first one. Okay, let's say we were going to create a videos 10 foods to lower your blood pressure. Okay, I actually checked this earlier, so you can create something like that, 10 foods to lower your blood pressure. And let's say we were to write something like, okay, number 1, let's say apple. Number 2, let's say bananas. Number 3, let's say oranges. Number 4, let's say lemons. Okay, whatever, right? Just for example, right? So once you've done that, simply click next, and InVideo will create the video for you based on those simple text that you created. So we're trying to create something similar to this page here. Here are 8 fruits with the highest protein level. Number 1, guava. Number 2, avocado. So we're trying to create something very similar to what they've created. So as you can see, InVideo will create that video for you based on the information that you've given to it. And once this is done, as you can see, this will be your video. Now you can edit it and change it and make it even better. So for example, if we play this, let's say preview all. So this is your video, 10 foods to lower blood pressure. This is the first slide. This is second one, number 1, apple. Then number 2 is going to be bananas. Number 3 is going to be oranges, right? So as you can see, this is actually not bad at all. And you can really change, if you're not happy with one of the slides, you can change it up. So for example, this one, you can simply click on edit. And then here you can simply change this and put something else. So for example, let's just say I type in food. Okay, let's say food. Let's say what comes up. Okay, not upload videos. I mean, let's click on food. Let's press enter and see what are some of those video templates that InVideo will show us. So let's say we were to pick this one. Okay, let's pick this one. Let's make this shorter, like 6 seconds. Let's click on done. Okay, and let's delete the first video. So this one was this one is the one that we added. This one was the one that was already there. So we're going to delete this one. So let's delete this. And now we have the one that we bring in. So now let's increase this. Let's make sure it fits the screen. Let's just resize this, like that. Let's put this text, let's put it right in the middle. And there you go. Now you're done. Let's save this. And then you have it here. So if we preview the slides again, let's preview. This is now your video with something else at the beginning. So if you're not happy with some of those videos, you can simply change it up and really put something else if you want. And then once you've created your video, obviously you can simply click on download. If you're using the free version of InVideo, InVideo will have its logo at the bottom. And if you don't want that, you can simply, they have like a paying plan where you can get rid of that watermark. But if you're using the free plan, you will have its watermark at the bottom. So if you're fine with that, simply click on download and you will have downloaded your fully created video. Once you have your video created, obviously now is to upload your video to YouTube Shorts. Upload it with the right description, with the right hashtags, and you can also upload it to TikTok as well if you want to. But this video was mostly about YouTube Shorts, how you can create YouTube Short video without having to film anything. And this is a really good way of how you could go about doing this. And then number 4 is to simply rinse and repeat. As you can see, this only took me like a few minutes to do. You can do like 5 or 6 videos like this every single day. So you want to rinse and repeat, do this again and again and again. Whichever niche you've chosen, do some keyword research, go and find out what people are searching for and try to create videos to what people are searching for. And really just rinse and repeat, create a few videos every single day and be very consistent with this. Once you've started posting some shorts and you've been very consistent with it, you will see that your views will start to build up and your subscriber base will also start increasing. And then finally, number 5, if you can start making money. Now, there are different ways you could go about making money with YouTube Shorts. One of those ways is to do affiliate marketing, where affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. You could go to a website like clickbank.com, where you can find a bunch of different products in different niches that you can promote. You can also go to another website called Digistore24, where you can also find a bunch of different products to promote as well. So for example, if you pick a niche, let's say the weight loss niche, and you're creating videos around weight loss, then you can simply promote a weight loss product and earn commission as an affiliate. You see? So every video that you would upload on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, you could simply have your affiliate link in the description, and when somebody would click on that link and buy whatever product that you are promoting, you would earn commission for that. So everything I've showed you in this video can be applied for any niche, guy. It's really up to you. You have to be very creative and come up with whatever niche you want to go for. But everything that I showed you can be applied in any niche, because you don't have to create the videos, you don't have to film yourself. You just have to do some keyword research, find what people are searching for in your niche, and then create videos around it. Okay, you just have to be consistent, do this regularly, and eventually you will start seeing amazing results over time. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, because I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.